In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Trend-Based Fib Time tool in TradingView step-by-step 2025. This feature helps you project potential time windows for market reactions based on a prior move, so you can plan ahead rather than only reacting to price. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to analyze. Choose a time frame that matches your trading style, whether that's intraday or a higher time frame. The tool works the same way across time frames, but the significance of each projection will scale with the chart you're on. On the left sidebar, look for the Fib Retracement or Fibonacci tools icon. It typically looks like a diagonal line with small numbers along it. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then select Trend-Based Fib Time. This sets your cursor to place 2 anchor points. Now click on the chart at the start of the trend you want to analyze. Pick a clear pivot, like a notable swing low for an uptrend or a swing high for a downtrend. Then drag to the end of that same trend. As soon as you release, the tool will automatically generate vertical lines. These lines represent time projections derived from the length of your selected move, using Fibonacci ratios. If the lines don't align quite right with the move you had in mind, adjust the anchors. You can click and drag the start or end points to fine-tune them until they line up with the pivots you consider most meaningful. Zooming in can help you snap more precisely to highs and lows, so your projections reflect the exact move you want to measure. Next, customize the display so it's easy to read. Click the small gear icon on the tool to open settings. Here you can change the line color for clarity against your chart background. Adjust opacity to tone down or emphasize the projections, and choose the style or thickness to make key levels stand out. A clean visual makes it easier to rely on these time cues during fast markets. With the toolset, shift your focus to where the vertical lines intersect price. These intersections don't predict direction by themselves. They highlight potential time-based points of interest where trends can pause, accelerate, or reverse. Treat them as timing windows, not guarantees. Many traders combine them with support and resistance, candlestick behavior, or momentum cues to confirm a bias. That's the complete process. Open a chart, select the Trend-Based Fib Time tool, set your start and end, refine, customize, and then monitor how price behaves as those projected time windows approach. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.